Hello and welcome to Trade of the Week for the week starting Monday, the 27th of February. Let's look back at last week's trade, and that was long Arabica coffee. We saw a nice pop at the beginning of the week, so it worked out very well originally. We're seeing a pullback here. We've still got a stop loss below this swing low here, 175.29. We're looking for a move back up to this resistance level up here. So yeah, at the moment, I think it's still working out well. I mean, ultimately you're seeing this pullback, but there's a good chance we do find that prior resistance turn into support for a next move towards the upside. So still happy to keep this one open and look forward to the coming week. And this week we're going back to natural gas. Natural gas has managed to pop somewhat. Certainly, if you look at the price action over the course of the past few trading days, we've seen a 25% rise, but that doesn't necessarily tell as much of a story as it ordinarily would. 25% rise sounds great, but set within the wider context, you can see that things are still pretty dire if you're a bull for natural gas. Nonetheless, it's taken us into a very interesting area. We can see here that this 2690 level essentially underpins this bearish trend. So we either break through that level and we look to have bottomed out here, and there is a good chance that we do see that soon enough. This is the monthly time frame, so you can see these levels generally do mark the bottom for this market. But do we know that this is the absolute bottom, or are we going to sort of play around these areas? You can see in previous occasions, we've seen multi-month periods of consolidation around about this area. So I'm just looking for a near-term reversal back down towards the downside. So I'm placing my stop loss above this swing high that we have. So I'm going to put it around about 2.83, let's say. There we go, 2.83. And then towards the downside, I want to put my take profit around about down here, 2.3. So that should give us a risk to reward that's around about, so we've got 222, so it's around about 1.5 to 1. So take profit at 2.3 and a stop loss at 2.83 for a short in natural gas.